Hello and welcome. This video, or DVD as it might be, is about how to use this instrument, the Didjeridu, which a lot of you have probably already used or played with or seen around, in another way, not just to play, but in the way of sound therapy, or sound massage as I like to call it. It's a way of using the sound of this instrument over a human body to make it relaxed and put it back into its own balance. Now there's a couple of things you need to know about this instrument and what type of instrument to use. Now for one, this is a gurumuru gumbark, and it's, as you can see, it's not that very long. It does have a big end on it, quite round. But the thing is, this weighs 5.5 kilos, alright? Now for some that is going to be far too heavy, because you're going to have to use this instrument for about maybe 20 minutes, carrying it around like this with one hand. The other hand just holds it up against your mouth. So there are a couple of other instruments you could use, maybe like this little maluba. It's lighter, very easy to handle, and it's also traditional. This is from Waterman country up in the Northern Territory.